Hello everyone, welcome. So today's video is about 2020 Ferrari Sf90 Stradale. So let's start. So what's new for 2020? That's the question. The Sf90 Stradale is all new and makes a debut for the 2020 model year. If we talk about pricing, you can say that it was $625,000. So the next point is engine, transmission and performance. So we can say that with the SF90 Stradale, power comes from a massive V8 and 3 electric motors. The 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 generates a mighty 769 horsepower on its own. So, and the trio of electric motor provides an additional 217 horsepower. The gas or electric powertrain generates a net output of 986 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels, making this the first mid-engine Ferrari with all-wheel drive. An 8-speed automatic transmission oversees the proceedings, as you would expect. All that powers under the hood translate into blistering acceleration. Ferrari estimates that this coupe will rocket from 0 to 60 mph in a scan 2.5 seconds. Different driving modes allow you to tailor the car's handling to suit your preferences. The lineup includes EV only, hybrid, performance, and last but not least, qualify a city that allows you to fully exploit the car's performance capabilities. Then the next point is fuel economy and real world MPG. Then we can say that the EPA hasn't provided fuel economy estimates for the 2020 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This car is able to travel for up to 16 miles using its trio of electric motors. Then the next point is interior comfort and cargo. The SF90 Stradale's interior is fairly steady, with the yellow prancing horse logo adding a splash of color on the center of the steering wheel. This two-seat coupe is home to a sculpted dashboard with fluid lines that mimic the falling design of the car exteriors. With high performance exhaustic, cargo space is typically in short supply. This is certainly the case with the SF90 Stradale, which provides roughly 3 cubic feet of room for your stuff. Then the next point is infotainment and connectivity. You can see that all SF90 Stradales come with an LCD monitor up front and a 6-speaker sound system. The car is also equipped with standard tech features such as Bluetooth phone and steering audio, real-time traffic, and an integrated navigation system. With voice activation features, Apple CarPlay integration is offered, but Android Auto isn't on the list of available amenities. Then the next point is safety and driver assistance features. So key safety features is a standard backup camera and second standard real parking sensor. Then the next point is warranty and maintenance coverage. You can see that first point is limited warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. Second point is powertrain warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. And the third point is complimentary scheduled maintenance covers 7 years or unlimited miles. So take a look at this awesome car. If you like this, please let me know in the comment section. By my side, I like this car so much. So today we are comparing Porsche 911 Turbo versus McLaren 720S. So take a look at these cars. If you like any of these, please let me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment and like. Bye bye.